Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chirgas Mama Sagari Channel, a faith reader, also a reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayo sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly pasilip, no? For the month of February 16 hanggang February 21 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs sa ating mga gilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the for more videos. Update ko, maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawa pagsuporte sa aking channel, lalong-lalo nang skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik nagagawa po na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo, Taurus, ang ating mga gilap? Tuklasin natin yan guys. Okay, there's something, the moon card, na may mga bagay na maaring ma-reveal, na may mga bagay kang maaring matuklasan, maaring may mga bagay o mabubulabog sa situations na to, na maaring magulantang ka o magulat ka, no? There's something, an information na maaring related with the Five of Wands, so complication. So just being aware, so may mga bagay na maaring magbigay komplikasyon, so may mga bagay na hindi mo lubos na gustong mangyari with the Knight of Swords. So pero mabilis tong takbo ng eksena na to. Ibig sabihin siya, parang pipitikin ka lang na very light, no? Masasaktan ka na very light, pero kumbaga ito yung bagay na parang magbibigay sa'yo ng motivations, no? Para sa ambition mo, para matupad mo yung bagay na gusto mo mangyari. Parang there's a dream coming true. Matutupad mo yung pangarap mo, pero may pagsubok or merong parang merong susubok sa'yo, no? Parang merong paalala sa'yo na, kumbaga, keep going, no? Wag kang mag-alinlangan, wag kang magkakaroon ng, kumbaga, takot, no? At sinasabi dito, lakasan mo lang loob mo. Record, there's the Two of Swords. There's something decision that you need to make, no? May decision dito na maaaring mangyari, no? Therefore, there's something guys with the Eight of Swords. There's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. So, maaaring napapalibutan ka ng toxic and negative. So, may mga tao sa paligid mo na maaaring, kumbaga, sumisira. O merong mga tao sa paligid mo na parang nililin lang ka. So, kailangan mag-ingat ka sa mga tao pinagkakatiwalaan mo. No, parang, there's something trap. Na parang itong bagay na to, parang hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. And there's a page of something in intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. No, sa nararamdaman mo. What is the moon card represent what? There's something at the hangman, something stuck. No, meron kang pangarap na maaring maunsume, no? Unsame, na parang kumbaga maudlot, no? May mga bagay ka na maaring hindi pa mangyari sa ngayon, pero mangyayari sa mga susunod na eksena. So parang there's a divine intervention. Paalala sa'yo ng ating divine, you need to pay attention. No, parang I feel something na, kumbaga, binigay sa'yo itong bagay na to, hindi para masaktan ka, kundi para tanggapin na may mga bagay na hindi pa line up, o hindi pa talaga timeline mo, o may mga bagay na para iyan muna, no? Parang, parang kumbaga, wag mo munang iintindihin tong bagay na to, dito ka muna sa eksena na to, parang ganon. Wag mo madaliin, something like that. There's an emphasis card for revert, no? And of course, pinapakita dito na alagaan at mahalin mo yung sarili mo. There's a renewal. No, pagkatapos ng sitwasyon na to, na maaring ma-disappoint ka, maaring magdala sa'yo ng losses, pero it is something, a new blessing coming in. There's something parang blessing this, guys, na ibinigay, kumbaga nangyari yon kasi may mga mas karapat-dapat o may mga bagay na dapat pa para sa'yo. Parang mas may higit pa. Ganon. No, kaya wag kang kumbaga mag-isip pa kung ano man yung bagay na to, pero kailangan mong manalig at magpatuloy sa yung ginagawa. And of course, there's something with the Four of Wands. Something is celebration coming in. May mga celebration dito na maaring matamo mo. No, there's something in homecoming, family gathering. There's something in event. Twin flame energy with a soulmate connection. May mga pangarap ka na maaring matupad mo, no? Talagang makakamtan mo. There's something jibe. Talagang, kumaga, maano mo siya ma-fulfill mo siya at there's a passion. Talagang gusto mo itong ginagawa mo. And if there's a need of us with a past communication, a past moment, nabibilis ang takbo ng situations. No, unti-unti mo nang makakalis dito sa situations na to, kahit mahirap ang mag-decide, kung itong bagay na to magiging very exciting sa'yo. No, mas lalo ka ma-excite, no, sa pagbabago, sa paggalaw ng sitwasyon. Kumbaga, hindi mo ina-expect na may something twist. With the Eight of Swords, there's something with the chart card, with an action moment. Magkakaroon ng changes sa development sa situation mo. And even sa environment mo. Even sa mga bagay na pinaniniwalaan mo. May mga bagay na maaring mabago. No, there's something willpower. And of course, there's something that brings you with determinations. What is the Page of Cups? Let's represent with the Three of Cups. Something a double, ultimate happiness. No, there's a collaboration. Mag-ingat ka sa mga taong nakakasalamuha at the same time. And of course, sinasabi dito, some of them kasi, there's something an evil eye. What is the Moon card? Because the Hangman represent guys with the Ten of Swords. I feel something a black magic involved in the other side na mayroon sumasabota at gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda during midnight. No, lalo-lalo sa madaling araw, you're feeling stuck. No, hirap ka sa pagtulog, maaring may gumagambala sa'yo sa pagtulog at the same time, maaring you're feeling exhausted, you're feeling drained. There's something painful, something like that, parang mahirap siya na-explain, pero pinapakita dito na nag-i-struggles ka talaga, no, during midnight. Let's see what is the Five of Wands, because the Empress card represent with the Five of Swords. Ibig sabihin dito, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your actions. So it means nagbibigay ka ng information from that person. Nakakasalamuhan, nakakausap, yung toxic sa situations na to. Or either yung gumagawa sa'yo. So kailangan mo ng limitation at kailangan mo ng distansya. No, na magbigay ng information from her or him, no? And of course, there's a full card for a leap of faith. This is something in new beginning coming in. Na may celebration dito na maaring magdadala sa ng new beginning. No, something innocent, but this is something, guys, with a twist, no? For exciting moment. And there's a Seven of Cups, something confusion or choices. Marami pang bagay na maaaring magbigay sa iyo ng information. There's a lot of messages and phone call coming in. Now, at the same time, there's something that Ten of Pentacles, there's something that brings you with a long-term success, no? At itong bagay na to, ang magdadala sa iyo ng pangmatagalan sitwasyon, even sa family, even sa long-term relationship, no? Long-term success, accomplishment, and there's a wealth, of course. No, and of course, there's something else with a High Priestess. May hidden agenda, I told you. There's a third party involved na maaaring nagkukos dito ng complication. I feel something na mayroong malapit sa'yo, kamag-anak to, kaibigan to, maaaring naghahatak na negative sa situations na to. No, or nagbablock sa'yo sa situations na to. Now, there's an evil eye, guys. No, may hidden agenda to. Malaki ang inggit sa'yo. Let's see what is additional messages for the outcome. No, there's a Four of Swords, something rest. No, see, kailangan mo ng sapat na pahinga dito at the same time. This is something renewal, no? Sa sarili mo, no? Kailangan mo ng, kumaga, peace of mind. So, kapayapaan, no? Kailangan mo alisin yung stress na namumutangis sa iyong kaisipan. And of course, there's the word card, there's something trouble. Or some of you guys know, this is something snake around you. No, may mga tao sa paligid mo or may mga malalapit sa'yo na maaaring tumaydor sa eksena mo. So, mag-ingat ka. No, even sa family-related, mag-ingat ka. Kasi there's a toxic behind. And if there's something, guys, with that Six of Swords, there's a transition. Unti-unti na makakalis sa hindi magandang situations. No, may mga bagay dito na maaaring hindi mo akalain na makakaalis ka leaving behind the scenes. No, bagay na hindi mo akalain na makakawala ka from that scenario or from that situations. At the same time, there's something, guys, with the King of Swords, with the stop the pattern. Kailangan mo mas maging wise, no? Maging matalino sa mga desisyon, sa mga actions mo, sa mga bagay na alam mo yung magiging outcome at possibilities, no? Being intelligent and powerful person. Kumbaga, marami pang bagay na maaring dumating sa'yo, like messages, phone call, na may kaugnayan for success, no? For your work, for your business. Now, there's a lot of choices. And if there's a Nine of Pentacles, being security, slow and steady, manatiling kalmado, wag kang agresibo. No, may mga bagay dito na dahil sa pagpupursige, hardworking mo sa mga bagay na to, makakawala at makakalaya ka from toxic environment or from toxic people. And there's a Seven of Wands. See? The Seven of Wands, something protection. So, it means, protectionin mo at pangalaga mo yung grounds mo from this third party involved. It means na maraming toxic or negativity sa paligid mo. No, I feel something related sa'yo to. No, maaaring maraming naiinggit sa'yo, na maaaring ka mag-anak, no, kaibigan. I feel something na parang, kumbaga, napakalapit lang sa'yo tong naiinggit sa'yo. So, guys, let's see. What is additional messages for finances and career, love life, at kalusugan? Let's watch this. So, ito na guys. Nandito na tayo sa second chapter ng ating reading for finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Handa na ba kayo guys? Maraming salamat sa mga naghihintay ng aking video sa every single day guys. Maraming salamat po. And of course, don't forget to follow and support my second channel guys. Ang Master Gada Psychic Tarot. Diyan tayo mag-upload din ng mga videos or kumbaga katulad ng mga horoscope, no? Mag-upload din tayo doon kaya subaybayan nyo, no? Lagi nyo titingnan, i-check din ang aking account for the second account, second channel. Baka doon ako nakapag-upload ng horoscope, no? Weekly pasilip, monthly gabay, special pasilip, urgent pasilip, mag-upload tayo dyan. So, let's see. What is additional messages for finances and career, love life, at kalusugan? So, there's something as Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. So, it means, guys, no, magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalang eksena, long-term investment, sustain patient. So, talagang pinapakita dito dahil sa pagpupursigi, pagtsatsaga, may kita na maaaring mata mo, no? At magdadala sa'yo ng pangmatagalang tagumpay. And of course, there's a star card for a wish fulfillment. See, talagang matutupad mo yung mga bagay na hinihiling mo, no? Lalo-lalo sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, na may involved ng money. No, magiging successful and wealth ka daw, mayaman, pasabog. And there's a Five of Pentacles, no? Meron ditong kaugnayan for financial loss of financial crisis. So, I feel something na makaka-recover ka na for financial loss of financial crisis. And of course, there's a page of one, something a good news, may magandang balita. May magandang impormasyon na maaring makuha mo. No, makakatanggap ka talaga ng phone call and messages and email, no, regarding about sa negosyo or sa trabaho mo. There's a new job, new work, new offer, new proposal. And there's a Temperance with a perfect timing. So, maging balanse ka lang sa mga bagay na gagawin mo. Like, I mean na parang kailangan manageable. No, alam mo yung kaya mo i-control at kaya mo i-manage itong bagay na to. No, wag masyadong sunggab ng bagay na alam mong hindi mo kayang i-manage. No, yung parang alam mo yung hindi mo na siya kayang i-control, hindi mo na kayang, kumbaga, i-manage ng maayos. No, wag nang ipilit. And of course, there's a Nine of Cups. There's something, an offer coming in, maraming proposal, and of course, there's a promotion at the same time. So, mayroon talagang darating na bagay na magdadala sa'yo ng paglago talaga. So, let's see, pagdating sa love life, there's a Nine of Wands, no, manatiling kalmado, no, hot temper na parang kailangan dito na mas maging kalmado ka, huwag ka masyadong aggressive pagdating sa relasyon, no, pagdating sa emosyon. And there's an Ace of Swords with a mental clarity, bigyan liwanag ang iyong isipan na mas maging matalino sa mga desisyon na gagawin mo. Now, there's a new ideas pagdating sa relasyon, and there's a Ten of Wands na may mga obligation, responsibilities, na too many burden. So, may mga bagay na nagbibigay pabigat sa situations mo. So, kailangan mo talaga i-surrender or kailangan ng bitawan or pakawalan. No, yung mga bagay na alam mo nagpapabigat na sa sitwasyon mo. Alam, may mga responsibilidad ka na hindi mo naman dapat, o may mga obligasyon ka na maaring kumbaga ibinibigay o kumbaga isinasalin sa'yo na hindi naman dapat. And of course, there's a Queen of Swords, there's a clear the boundaries. So, kailangan mo linisin, tanggalin yung mga bagay o toxic na kumbaga makaka-apekto sa iyong pag-unlad, sa inyong relasyon. No, there's something guys with the Eight of Pentacles, just focus. Mag-focus ka sa kung ano yung bagay na meron ka, mag-focus ka sa relasyon, mag-focus ka sa kung ano yung bagay na meron kayo. And there's a Justice card. There's something of balance. And of course, there's something of fair fight. The truth comes out. So, may mga bagay dito maaaring ma-reveal. No, meron ditong justice with a legal matter regarding sa separations like annulment. No? So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. Pagdating naman sa kalusugan, There's another story. Nagkakaroon ka talaga ng anxiety, sleepless night. Talaga kina-clarify, guys. No, nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless night and anxieties dito. No, there's something, guys, with the two pentacles with a balance. Kaya naman maging balanse sa iyong sarili. No, and of course, there's a sign of something happiness. Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya talaga ang inyong relasyon at ang iyong pamilya. And there's a three pentacle for collaboration. Mag-ingat ka talaga sa mga komunikasyon, sa mga tao nakakasalamuha mo. No, some of them talaga are very negative. No, and of course, there's something, guys, with the King of Cups, very devoted, supportive naman tong person mo. No, and of course, there's something with the Devil card. Meron talagang gumagambal at sumasalbahay sa'yo dito. No, there's a Devil card. May kulam ka talaga. No, may gumagawa sa'yo dito. So, guys, let's see what is additional messages with the magical fire messages advices for you. Let's watch this. No, doon pala sa unang chapter, talaga kayo na-clarify na may gumagambala sa'yo, lalo na sa madaling araw, di ba? So, let's see what is the magical fire messages, guys. Kaway-kaway sa naghihintay ng reading for Taurus sign, guys. Please comment down below kung isa ka sa Taurus o cross-watcher. And this is being something of blossoming, no? Darating yung araw na talagang mamumukadkad, no? And there's a love life, see? There's something connected about sa love life. Ibig sabihin dito, no, may kumbaga may kumukontra at meron talagang sumisira sa inyong relasyon, merong naiinggit sa inyo o merong tutol o hadlang sa inyong relasyon, sa iyong kaligayahan. So, there's something, an ex, toxic family, toxic friends na maaring gumagawa sa inyo. What is the yin and yang oracle card? So, there's something decision. Kaya may mga decision dito na parang nagkakaroon ka undecided eh. So, see, and this is something north node with a purpose. Malalaman mo yung purpose mo dito. And you are also a very masculine o yung person may very masculine. What is the synchronicities? Represent what, guys? And there's a joy. Talaga may ligaya, no? Kumbaga may ligaya talaga na maaaring mamumutangi sa lahat. And there's something, guys, with incantation, something apparent, na mag-ingat ka sa mga chismis or chika, huwag ka makikinig sa mga sulsol ng nino man, kahit kanino pa to, mag-ingat ka dahil may mga sinasabi na naman no against sa iyong relasyon. Mag-ingat ka sa mga nasa paligid mo at the same time sa mga nakakahalubin at nakakasama mo na naman. May kasiraan na naman or pipilitin na naman siraan. What is the romance in you for Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's a silence. So, kailangan tikong bibig, tahimik. No contact. No, meron ditong no contact talaga. No, and of course, maaaring mawala na naman ng contact. There's a spiritual awakening. No, isang bagay na maaaring kailangan mo ma-realize. No, talagang, kumbaga, bagay na matutuklasan at malalaman mo kapag mayroong kaugnayan talaga sa spiritual, no, kahit anong gawin mo, no, kahit na mabago at maiba sa ngayon, pero ganun pa rin ang ahas kapag nagbalat kayo, ahas pa din yan. What is Archangel Michael? Represent what? Your imagination and you see the answer. So, use your imagination and you see the answer, no? Gamitin mo rin yung imagination mo at makikita mo yung kasagutan sa iyong mga katanungan. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quote said. All things whatsoever you shall ask, prayer, in believing you shall receive. Alam daw yung mga bagay na dapat no, ipinagdadasal mo. Kung naniniwala ka yung mga bagay na ito karapat dapat matatanggap mo to ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Diba? So guys, maraming salamat. This is something weekly pasilip more for the month of February 16 hanggang February 21. This is a within February 16 no hanggang 21. No, for this sign of Taurus. So, Taurus. Maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang nakuha na sagap natin. Kung itong bagay na to ay talagang alam mong tumugma sa'yo, diba? Alam mong talagang nararamdaman at nararanasan mo, comment down below. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. And of course, maraming salamat po sa pag-subscribe din sa aking second channel na Maestra Gada Psychic Tarot. No, doon din na napapaloob ng ang mga reading natin regarding sa horoscope, no, sa politics and celebrities. So guys, maraming salamat po sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo. And see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!